Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make savory soy milk with Chinese long donut. A popular breakfast item from Shanghai or Taiwan. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Unsweetened soy milk. A bag of 6 fried donuts for $5 is available in Superstore in Richmond, BC. Chinese pickled radish in water for 10 minutes, then cut into small pieces. Soak dried shrimps in water for 5 minutes, then cut into small pieces. There are also crispy fried onions and diced green onions. Vinegar and chili oil. Cut a small portion of Chinese donut into thin slices like this. About this much. Toast the rest in an oven or air fryer for 2 to 3 minutes to make it crispier. Cut the shrimps into tiny pieces now. Add pickled radish and dried shrimps into soy milk and boil. Add salt. Boil and stir well, then add vinegar and chili oil. Turn off heat and pour the soy milk out. Savory soy milk is all about the curding using vinegar. Add crispy fried onions and green onions. Also the sliced Chinese donut. See the curds formed in the soy milk? Dip a piece of Chinese donut into the soy milk. So yummy. The easy savory soy milk with Chinese long donut is now ready to serve. Enjoy!